Yes, hello, I'm Daniel. I'm the head of SAP ALM at Swisscom. I'm in the ALM space for about 20 years right now, and I'm a SAP Champion for about 2.5 years.
Great to have you here, Daniel. So my name is Ben. I'm with SAP since almost 20 years, also in the ALM space, and I'm also a champion since at least some years ago. So Daniel, the ALM Summit 2022 has just happened. That was the largest gathering on application lifecycle management in the EMEA region. So what were the main reasons for you to register and to join the summit?
The SAP ALM Summit story and also the ALM story is currently being reinvented. And right now, as a partner or customer, it is very important how to design your ALM services in the future. Another important aspect is that the meeting and the community, the exchange, the networking, and the get-together.
Based on your opinion and based on the key takeaways which you had from the ALM Summit, what do you think how ALM will evolve in the future?
I think SAP ALM is becoming more and more a C-level topic and is also included in business strategies. Digitalization, cloud, and also disruptive innovations are becoming the new normal. In the future, SAP ALM must be able to deal with this new platform and ecosystems, like SAP BTP, SAP API Business Hub, low-code, no-code, and also non-SAP solutions. And for the next generation of ALM users, the focus is on good usability, simplicity, and flexibility.
Based on these insights, what are your concrete recommendations?
Create your SAP ALM roadmap strategy right now, based on your company culture, on your business models, cloud, on-prem decision, the mindset, methodologies like Agile or Waterfall, and also how to work with the next generation of your employees. And then align it with your SAP Cloud ALM as the go-to ALM platform for the future.
So you just mentioned SAP Cloud ALM. What exactly is SAP Cloud ALM from your point of view?
For me, SAP Cloud ALM is the next generation of ALM for the future, packed with methodology, many tools for projects, operations, and service business. It is easy to adopt and easy to use, and it has an excellent user experience, and it is open for integration and already have many APIs. So Ben, let's have a question for you. Now I like to go to the transition scenario. How does SAP support customers with the transition to Cloud ALM, especially for long-term SAP Solution Manager customers?
Okay, great question. So we get that a lot. Of course, we know that this is a major change for many customers, especially who have been with us and with SAP Solution Manager for a very long time. So we plan to provide support for this transition in multiple dimensions. We'll create and provide best practices, how to plan and how to execute the transition. We'll provide services, for example, the SAP Cloud ALM Readiness Check, which will help you as a customer to find out if your system, if you are ready for the transition to Cloud ALM. And also we'll provide transformation tools, for example, in the areas of solution documentation or testing.
And how about customers who directly want to start with SAP Cloud ALM?
Oh, it's very easy to directly start with SAP Cloud ALM. Basically, every customer with a cloud subscription or an SAP Enterprise Support contract or higher are enabled or are eligible to request and use SAP Cloud ALM. So you can directly start and request your Cloud ALM tenant and just start from there. There's also a page in the SAP support portal, which can be used as a starting point to find more information. And there you also can directly request your personal tenant of SAP Cloud ALM. And additionally, if you maybe don't know where to start, in the SAP Discovery Center, there are multiple so-called missions which help you to really get started and get up to speed very quickly and easily with SAP Cloud ALM. So Daniel, thanks a lot for your insights and for your feedback about how you see ALM and what you learned at the SAP ALM Summit. Do you have any final comments?
Yes, let me summarize my key takeaways. I think it's a great opportunity to take a leadership for the topic of SAP ALM right now. Shape your ALM processes and make them fit for the future. I see a lot of value for many customers, even for those who have not had too many touch points with ALM so far. And it is also a great opportunity for SAP partners. to participate here, for example, to bring your own content, processes, test cases, etc., design extensions, and also build your new consulting services for SAP Cloud ALM. Thanks also from my side for this exciting interview. Ben, thank you.
So, thank you very much for being with us today.